we're going to talk about how you blend your top, middle, and base note, because we want our aromatherapy to smell good. Part of the therapy is that you're getting a fragrance that makes you feel good. It's uplifting to you. So what you want to do is you want to take a base note. This happens to be geranium. And you want to take a middle note. I'm going to grab the lavender. And you want to grab a top note. And I'm going to grab the lemongrass. And you want to kind of think about what the qualities of the essential oil is. Geranium has a super intense sweet smell to it. Lavender has kind of almost a citrusy but a little bit sweet smell to it. And lemongrass is light, but it has a very sweet smell to it. So we're going to have to see what we think of this. It might be overpowering or it might be delicious. One way that you can try and see how something smells, just to start out, you grab the lids of each one and you waft them under your nose and you just kind of smell. What does that smell? Oh, that smells nice. Let's try that. Let's see what we think. Another way that you can try is, these are some little sticks that I have. They're basically made of thick paper. And what you can do is you can put a drop of the essential oil onto the stick. And you just put a drop of each essential oil onto each stick. And then you take the sticks and you put them together like that and you wave them under your nose. And you can get a good sense of what your essential oil blend is going to smell like by doing that. So those are two ways that you can see how it's going to turn out. That's actually a pretty agreeable blend. I like those. Another of the blends that I tried the rose geranium, which is a base note. You always want to mix a top, middle, and base together. You can also mix, if you have a strong smelling middle note, you can mix a little bit more of that with a top note, or two middle notes and a top note, or two top notes and a middle note, and just skip the base note. But it's kind of good if you can have at least one or two drops of the base note. Another thing that you can do if you're experimenting and trying to see what the different scents are is to have some coffee beans or some ground coffee nearby and just have that in a container and take the ground coffee beans and just waft those under your nose in between smelling the different blends or aromatherapies, because that will help to cleanse your sinuses so that you're not overpowered by the last thing that you smelled. So that's how you can go through the sort of perfume making process of blending your aromatherapy scents.